How to change bed linens with a patient in the bed. If possible, you should try to change bed linens with one other person. While it is possible to do it alone, it's faster and easier with two people. Ensure privacy for your loved one by closing doors and window shades as appropriate. First, raise the bed to protect your back. Next, carefully roll your loved one onto their side. If their bed has rails, ask them to hold onto the bed rail if they are able. If the bed does not have rails, your partner will need to help hold your loved one on their side securely so they don't roll off the bed. Keep your loved one covered with a top sheet during this process. Then, remove the bottom sheet. Beginning at the side furthest from your loved one, untuck the bottom sheet and tightly roll it up in the direction of their body. If they are soiled, immediately place them in a laundry bag or hamper. Throw away any disposable pads. Next, place a new clean bottom sheet on the exposed side of the bed. Pull the sheet over the corners of the bed and then roll it to your loved one's body and tuck it under them. Then, tuck a waterproof pad or draw sheet under your loved one. A draw sheet is a sheet folded into thirds and placed under your loved one where their hips are. Roll your loved one back onto the slide sheet. Now you and your partner can use the slide sheet to help move your loved one back to the side of the bed where the bottom sheet is already tucked in. Next, remove the used top sheet from the bed and place them in the hamper. Then tuck the new bottom sheet into the final corners of the bed and add a new top sheet over your loved one. Then, change the pillowcases. Keep your loved one's head and neck supported when changing the pillowcase. And finally, adjust pillows and blankets as needed. Northern Illinois Hospice, first in caring for life's final months.